Hi my dear students, I hope you all are doing good and have taken necessary preventive measures against COVID-19 pandemic. I request you all to stay at home as much as possible. As the coronavirus pandemic continues, teachers and students all over the country have to adjust to the new ways of learning at a social distancing. So I warmly welcome you all to the online software testing tutorial class. So I, Pallavi Mudol, is your virtual instructor for the subject called software testing. So now let me just give you an overview of the subject. So basically software testing is a process to evaluate the functionality of a software application with an intent to find whether the developed software meet the specified requirement or not, or to identify the defects to ensure that the product is defect free and in order to produce the good quality of product. So there are two different types of software testing. First one is manual testing and the next one is automation testing. So manual testing, what happens? So it is a process of testing a software manually. So you will write all the test cases or scenarios in your any testing tool or in simple Excel. So you just verify, go to the browser manually and check the application whether it is working as expected or not. So this usually includes the verifying all the features which are specified in the required document, and then but often also includes the testers trying the software with the perspective of their users in their mind. And automation testing, it is a process of testing the software using an automation tool to find the defects. So in this process, testers execute the test scripts and generate the test results automatically by using automation tools. So some of the famous automation tools for functional testing are like your QTP, UFT and Selenium. So now let me just give you an overview of your subject. So basically we will just see your syllabus. So going to the syllabus. So coming to the software testing syllabus. So unit 1 consists of introduction and types of testing. So in this you will be learning the testing principles and phases of software project quality, and then quality assurance, quality control and verification and validation testing. So life cycle of models and mainly white box testing. So in this you will learn static testing, structural testing and some challenges in white box testing. So this comprises of 10 hours. And then unit 2 you have types of testing. Under that you will learn black box testing, which is nothing but your functional testing. So basically for black box testing is done by the testers and white box testing is done by the developer while writing the code itself. So they check each and every line after writing their code. So that comes the white box testing. So under black box testing you will learn integration testing and then top down approach integration and then bottom up integration and bidirectional integration, and you will also learn defect bash and then system and acceptance testing, functional versus non-functional. So usually these two are main categories of testing. So you will be doing functional testing or else non-functional testing. So basically under non-functional testing you will have your reliability testing and then compatibility testing and then performance testing. All these comes under non-functional testing. So and also you will learn acceptance testing. So under the unit 3 you will learn regression testing and performance testing in detail. So factors and methodologies and the performance process of performance testing, regression testing and types and testing of object oriented systems, and then usability and accessibility testing and some approaches, and then quality factors and aesthetic testing and accessibility testing. So this comes under unit 3. So going to the unit 4, you will learn people and organization issues in testing. So some perceptions and some misconceptions about the testing, and then comparison between testing and development functions, and this providing the career paths for testing professionals, how does the testing professional works, and then the role of ecosystem and the call for action. So organization structures for testing teams, and then structures in single product companies, and structures for multi product companies. So these all you will learn in unit 4. So unit 5, you will learn test management and automation. So how do you manage the whole testing system? So that planning and preparation, and what is the scope. So these all you will be learning in unit 5, and also you will learn about automation testing. So some brief introduction about automation testing. So also this comprises of 10 hours. So your whole syllabus consists of 5 units, and each unit comprises of 10 hours. So totally it becomes 50 years of learning. So coming to your textbooks, so you have Srinivasan Desikan and Gopalaswamy Ramesh. So these textbooks you can refer, and some of the reference books: software testing, Ron Patton, you need to use second edition, and then the craft of software testing, Brain Marek Pearson publication 2010. So this is your complete syllabus for software testing. So coming to the next video, I'll be discussing the introduction, and unit 1 I'll start, and then some introduction about the software testing concepts. Thank you.